Welcome to Relax with Jen. Today we are making our own puff pastry from scratch. Ingredients: 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted cold butter, 3/4 cup cold water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar. Instructions: Prepare the butter. Cut cold butter into small cubes. Place the butter cubes on a piece of plastic wrap or parchment paper and arrange them into a square or rectangle about 1/2 inch thick. Cover the butter completely with the wrap or paper and use a rolling pin to gently press and flatten the butter into a solid block. Place this butter block in the refrigerator while preparing the dough. Make the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour and salt. Mix the lemon juice or vinegar into the cold water. Gradually add the cold water to the flour mixture, mixing until the dough just comes together. It should be a rough and shaggy dough. Forming the dough. Turn dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it a few times until it forms a rough ball. With a floured rolling pin, roll the dough into a rectangle about 1/2 inch thick. Encase the butter block. Place a chilled butter block in the center of the dough rectangle. Fold the dough over the butter, enclosing it completely. Pinch the edges of the dough together to seal the butter inside. Start the folding process. Turn dough so that the seam is on the side, like a book. Roll out the dough into a long rectangle about 1/4 inch thick. Fold the top third of the dough down over the middle third, then fold the bottom third up over the top, like folding a letter. First turn. Rotate dough 90 degrees, 1/4 turn, so that the open ends are now on your sides. Roll out the dough again into a long rectangle and perform the same fold, top third down, bottom third up. This completes the first turn. Repeat the folding and rolling. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to chill. Remove the dough, repeat the rolling and folding process a second time, and then chill again. Repeat this process 2 more times for a total of 4 turns, or more if desired. Each time you fold and roll the dough, you are creating layers of butter and dough. Final resting. After completing all the turns, wrap the dough tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight before using. Your homemade puff pastry is now ready to be used for delicious pastries, pies, or other baked treats. The key to successful puff pastry is keeping the dough and butter cold throughout the process to maintain those distinct flaky layers when baked. Enjoy your baking. If you have a comment or suggestion, leave it in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this recipe, please like and subscribe as there are more tried and tested recipes to come. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.